Welcome to this short lesson on Esperanto pronunciation. First of all, the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Like in English, Esperanto has only 5 vowels, but unlike English, each vowel is pronounced in only one way. The easiest way to remember is this sentence in English. Are there 3 or 2? A, E, I, O, U. Here are some examples in Esperanto. Kate, philo, guto, balaas. Notice in this last example, both of those those A's at the end are pronounced separately, balaas. Consonants. Good news is 12 of the consonants in Esperanto are pronounced exactly the same as in English. And the 3 consonants, in fact, that are not used in Esperanto, except perhaps for names, Q, W, and X. Okay, now the other ones. G is always hard, like in go, ega, gento, unless it has an accent, sometimes called a hat. So we'll say G, hat. It's soft, like the G in gem. Example, ajo, G. R is always pronounced and preferably trilled. For example, carto. But if you find the trilled R difficult, you can pronounce it carto. Just make sure you don't say cato, because that's a different word altogether. Here's another example. Verda. Remember, e, or e, r, verda, not verda, verda. Rado. S is always soft, as in the English word so. For example, emis, sala, unless it has an accent, a hat, and then it's pronounced sh. For example, fisho, she. A C is pronounced ts. For example, etzo, or cent, or stias. This one might be a little tricky, but just think of the English word bestseller. It has the same cluster of sounds together. Might take a little bit of practice to get that one. But if C has a hat over it, it's pronounced ch. For example, etch or chu. An H with a hat over it is the sound of the CH in loch, the Scottish word loch. For example, echo, choro. And the good news is this is actually quite a rare sound in Esperanto, but you will encounter it every now and then. The J is pronounced like a Y. At the beginning, it's exactly the same as in the word yes. Otherwise, if it comes after a vowel, it creates a diphthong, a double sound pronounced as one syllable. For example, kai, play, foye, tui. If J has a cap over it, it's like the S in treasure. For example, ajo, jeti. If U has an accent, notice the accent goes the other way, sometimes called a cup. It's like a W, but it's only used after A or E, only used as part of a diphthong. For example, au or euro. That's all the vowels and all the consonants. Now all that remains is to talk about pronunciation of words with more than one syllable. And the rule couldn't be simpler. Always stress the second last syllable. Here are 3 examples. Rapide, revenas. Sorry, 2 examples. Finally, if a word ends in with an apostrophe, it means a letter, usually an O, has been omitted. This is often used in poetry and songs. For example, vent, short for vento, larbo, short for la arbo.